Hi, my name is Pararat and this is my post-task video presentation for didactics on science, social science. This is my script that I'm going to use for this presentation, and this is my lesson plan. The topic of this lesson is talking about personal activities, habits, and general truth. This planning is aimed of a group of young 6th grade students with an A2 level of English. I choose this community to elaborate the material because the students are in a stage of life in which the experience leave their mark and shape them in a society for good or for bad. In this occasion, these students will carry out many enriching activities, such as watching, listening, and understanding a motivating video that will be them reflect on things that they are likely to be done, or not only for homework, but to fraternize, to do good for themselves and the others. Also, through this lesson, students will enrich their vocabulary and understand daily activities using simple present tense, and they will also identify the third person with S and D verbs. And last but not least, they will exchange reading and listening skills, organizing sentences in the present simple tense. The expected result for this lesson is that students can achieve grammar as a tool for oral and writing comprehension, as well as being participating active in conversations. For this stage, I will share a motivational video called "Before I Die, I Want to," made by Candy Shine. With this activity, the students will see and listen, understand, the reflect different answers that may come to their head, and that is of their classmate, and they will be able to write the possible pending things that they should do on and have not done, and it's important to themselves. Similarly, with the activity, the idea is that I, as a teacher, write on the board the different things that to do, emphasis, the verb, and told the students. Then this enrich the vocabulary and does not continue working with the defaults. To the develop activities, the students are taught the importance of the verb in sentences, about their need to combine for the different people present in this case. So its grammatically use will be taught. For practice, I have previously written on wallpapers the verbs, so some ones will be shown to the students and the grammatical modification, and it's done, and they will be used for the third person. It's an independence practice. The student will be given a worksheet with 2 points. The first one has several sentences where you must mark, the student must mark with an X the verb with the correct conjugation according to the tool who are talking about. And the second point, the student will have another sentence that they are going to write down some verbs that it corresponds with the sentence, with the box also. There is another activity in a different instruction that there will be done as looks like a game. So in some groups of 4 or 5 students, they are gonna give them an envelope, and there will be some images of their routines that will do daily something. Some students must order and make a small story to be able to describe it later. So they will make use that they have learned, practiced, and what should be right inside a home as a her in the society. Finally, as a feedback, allocate centers are given to the activities that we already done. The students we already have in the video, All these sentences are in the first person, so the students must to rewrite this speaking in the third person and in the simple affirmative and negative form. For the assessment or evaluation, I to evaluate the performance of the verb conjugation by placing some verbs in some tests that they are reading correctly. For the conclusion of this lesson, I know that it's not good to talk about the dead, but it's a great motivator so that our pending issues can be done, such as forgiving, hugging, kissing, even thanking. I, as a teacher, I invited students that they tell their family about what they saw in the video and write in their notebook 2 activities that each one of their family members will do and will share it when they return the class. For the closing stage, for this stage, I am for the students that they must draw in the certain thing that represents the doing important things before they die. Write it out 5 sentences to explain and choose to draw the things. Will this closing activity students are encouraged or motivated with objective of taking positive actions for their life, for the family, for the society. In addition to the activity, they will be able to enrich the vocabulary and added understanding of the conjugation verbs. So that is my presentation. I hope that I was clear, and thank you so much, and Merry Christmas. Bye.